Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I wanted to share with you this Hanalei lip treatment. So I tend to have my lips crack really easily anytime the weather changes, or if I travel, I always have the edges become a problem. So this has helped me a lot. It is so creamy and nourishing, and it does have a lot of fatty acids and vitamins. So you can see the texture right there. It's like a Vaseline color and a little bit Vaseline-ish texture almost. But it goes on so nice and thick that it really does create like a protective barrier, but it just helps my lips heal from being cracked. So I really recommend this if you also like to have some kind of protective lip treatment when you're on the go, or if you just have cracked lips no matter what. This is gonna really help you out, and I love the smell, and they have other options of color tinting too if you want that. This is just the one without any color. So I highly recommend it. If you have problems with cracked lips and you need a lip treatment, check this one out. It really does work, and the size is perfect to just always have in your pocket, to be on the go. And I have ran out of this one and I'm about to order some more, but that's just my point of view.